If you have this in your backyard or compound, you have a gem. Let me show you how you can use this on your hair effortlessly, without blending, without lumps. I will also tell you the benefit of this on your skin and natural hair. For easy application, section your hair into different parts like this. After you are done, cut the aloe vera just like I am doing, and just gently scrub the surface of the aloe vera with your knife, just so that the gel or the juice can come out, and make sure that you do it gently and it doesn't cause any lumps. This is the time to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't. Also drop a comment. Thank you for doing that. Now let's continue. So after you have been able to extract the juice or gel out of this aloe vera, apply directly on your hair just like that. You don't have to scoop it into any buckets or any bowl whatsoever. Just apply directly to your scalp. So I'll go again and make sure that every part of my hair is saturated with this gel. Now while we are on that, let me tell you what this does to your natural hair. Aloe vera contains 99% water and a substance called glycoproteins. Water helps to moisturize your hair. That cannot be overemphasized. Shea butter does not moisturize your hair. Oil does not moisturize your hair. Water is what moisturizes your hair. When you are using aloe vera, know that automatically you are applying water on your hair and you are moisturizing your hair. The protein helps to speed up healing process, which means that if you have maybe an itchy scalp, inflamed scalp, that protein can help speed up the healing process and make your scalp less itchy. It helps you to calm your itchy scalp, and it is soothing. Like when you are actually even doing it, when you are applying this on your hair, you can feel how soothing this is on your scalp. It is quite, you know, cold and very, very, very nice something. Right. So the second thing aloe vera does for you is conditioning. Of course, since you are aware that aloe vera contains a lot of water, it conditions your hair. I will advise you do this. You apply aloe vera on your hair before you wash your hair, because then you have already set your hair in motion to receive whatever goodness is going to be coming from your hair care product. When you do this, you can literally feel it after washing that your hair has received a lot of goodness. So even if you don't have a conditioner, you can use this first and then wash. If you don't have air conditioner, this also can pass as a air conditioner, but to get a very good result, I would advise you wash and also use your air conditioner. And if you have a oily hair, aloe vera helps to deep cleanse your hair. People who have oily hair tends to have dandruff, of dirt in their hair, because their hair is oily and it attracts so much dust and dirt. But when you do this, especially when you apply on your scalp, aloe vera deep cleanses oily scalp. It strengthens your hair strands. If you are suffering from hair breakage, you can employ the use of aloe vera. If you find this information useful, kindly buy me a coffee. There's a link in the description. I'll see you in my next one.